Very nice.
Shay Shay.
Hi. We're going for a short ride. We're going to Luneta. Let's go. Let's go. Galing lang namin sa saan tayo galing yun? May grandstand sarado, so dito na lang tayo ulit sa park. Saan ang daanan? Wala yung daanan, layo naman. Daanan, baby na, dito na lang tayo. Yep. Wait, carry na lang ang dating bike. I'm here. Why are you looking at Daddy? Papi. Look at Papi. Sabinas, come here. Bye-bye. Flowers. What color is that? White. That's enough na, baby. Enough na. What's that?
What's that?
Flower.
What's it?
Okay. Don't pick the flowers, baby. Nice to enough. Thank you. No, don't pick. Enough na enough.
What's that?
Flowers. Daddy's here. Yeah. What's that?
Bye.
A boat. Bye. Bye. What happened? Stand up. Let's see. You're not looking where you're going. Oh, it's okay. Wait for daddy. Wear your helmet. Good job. Now wait now. Daddy na daddy, wait. Go down. Look up.
Okay.
Good job. Come here. Get up. Come on. Come here. Come here.
Yeah.
Let's go back.
Bye. 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 Bye.
Back, back. Now where are we going? Kami na ni Nash mag-running. So we will go biking. Kabilang side yung Intramuros Golf Course. Excuse me.
Wow.
Thanks. You see? Let's go straight. Hindi rin na Intramuros. May bike lane. Saka malilim. Kasi maraming puno. Diba na? There's a lot of trees. Trees. Very good. Are you going to give those flowers to mommy?
Mommy.
Yes.
Mommy. Mommy.
To the fountain na. Beautiful, right? Water. Let's go. Ito lang maganda mag-bike. Sa loob, sa labas, marami sasakyan. At least dito, walang sasakyan. Malinis pa. Yeah. Right na? Yes? (7:11) pa lang in the morning. So, stay pa tayo dito ng few more minutes. Hindi pa naman mainit. Alright, baby Nash? You want to walk? Look at baby Nash hands. She's still holding the flowers. Still holding the flowers, Nash. Wala ng pathway nila dito, no? For biking. Just beside the golf course dito sa Intramuros. Dito yan banda sa may ano, sa may pier. Manila Hotel. It's on the right side. Yeah. Hanap tayong taho. Walang taho ngayon ah. Namin nag-exercise guys oh. At mga bikers. Kasi sa may Luneta bawal pa. So dito pwede. So kaya dito siguro sila. Oh no. Walang magtataho. Andiyan kami kanina tumatakbo ni Nash sa park. Let's look for magtataho. Guys, may nag-golf po. Wow. Yaman. Pag-imaman din ako. Alam mo, mag-golf din ako. Pagkatapos mong paluin ng malayo yung bola, hahabulin mo rin. Dito pala sa side na mas marami naglalaro. Makaramdam na yung summer ah. Yung pond parang nangunti na yung tubig oh. Medyo ang dami naglalaro. Mas marami pa yata yung nag-assist kaysa sa player eh. So yun, continue the ride na. Big boy na, marunong na mag-hawak ng taho. Yummy. Break time, taho time. Yummy. Don't you go running again. Oh, where's your flower? We'll buy it. But, hindi mo na nila tubig. Ayan. Ayan naman. Ayan. Where's your flower? job. Wear your mask. Just finished eating our taho. Yeah, oh wait, wear your mask. Your helmet. Wait, helmet. Good boy. Good job. We're going biking. Yeah.
Bye, bye.
Come on.
Oh.
Step up. Okay, so isang pasada na lang. Then we'll go home na. Dahil medyo mainit na. It's already 8 in the morning, so hindi na namin tinuloy ni Nash hanggang dulo. Medyo mainit na eh. So we're going home na. Let's see next week. Wala pala ikaw dito, baby Nash, next week. You'll be at Bicol. Going home. You want to go home na, Nash? Yes? No response?